Publish Canvas course checklist. All Canvas courses are unpublished by default. This allows instructors to work on adding content to the course before granting access to students. Once the course is student-facing ready, the Canvas course must be published before the quarter begins. Unpublished courses will have a pink message on the course homepage indicating students don't have access. We recommend waiting until the course is set up and student-facing ready before publishing the course in its entirety. To ensure the course is set up properly, check each tool where content has been created or added and that it is published or unpublished depending on the instructor or teaching team preferences. First, check the syllabus tool to ensure content has been uploaded to this tool. Second, check the Files tool. Ensure all content is published or unpublished, if not intended for student view at the time of publishing the course in its entirety. At any given time, click on View as Student at the top right of the page, denoted by the eyeglass icon. A lovely pink fuchsia border will appear, denoting currently viewing as student. Do not forget to click Leave Student View at the bottom right of the page after checking content availability. Third, check discussions to ensure all discussions are up to date and published as intended. Fourth, check assignments and ensure all are published and the due dates are preset according to the syllabus and class schedule. Fifth, if created quizzes, check dates of availability and published or unpublished status. Navigating back to home. Instructors may organize the course even further to meet their teaching needs. Opposed to simply utilizing files as a repository and creating assigned or graded content in other tools, the course may be designed according to modules or pages in conjunction with other Canvas tools. Navigating to modules. Modules allows instructors to structure course content in a linear or sequential flow for students, essentially developing a seamless learning path for students. We recommend when creating modules being consistent with the course syllabus and ensure modules content is published. For instance, Week 1, Unit 1, the content is not published, and so students would not be able to view the content currently published within that module. So to publish the module title, click on the circle with / icon, and these are all publishing options. Please take the time to read these options and select a preference. Furthermore, if there's content within a module that the instructor would not like to be visible, simply unpublish that content. One thing to note here with modules, even if content is published within the module title, if the module title itself is not published, then the content published within that module title will not be visible to students. Please keep this in mind. A second course design option is utilizing Pages. Pages allows instructors to create and display media-rich content like text, images, videos, and links to other course materials in one page or multiple pages. All content for a unit, week, theme, or project can organize course information and may be linked to assignments, quizzes, and even discussions. Navigating to view all pages. Ensure the pages are published or a future published date has been set for that particular page. Navigating back to home. Next, let's review the course navigation menu options. Ensure all tools are visible to students or hidden based upon instructor preferences. To customize the course navigation menu, navigate to Settings. At the top of the page, there are course tabs. Select the Navigation tab. Here is where one can enable or disable tools by dragging and dropping them up and down. So for instance, to disable a tool, simply grab that tool, drag and drop it down. To enable a tool, select a tool, drag and drop it up. Do not forget to click Save at the bottom of the page prior to moving forward. There's also a thorough course navigation tutorial to disable and enable Canvas tools at gocanvas.stanford.edu and navigate to the Video Tutorials tab. Customizing the course navigation may also be beneficial if further designing the course according to modules or pages. It may be helpful to students if disabling the tools within the course navigation menu that may be inserted into pages or the module's learning path format. Students will no longer be clicking through other tools within the navigation menu to search for content, but only be able to locate within the pages or modules the instructor has intended. It's less confusing, there's less clicking around, and expectations are clearly set in locating and completing work presented in one design. Instructors also have the ability to select a homepage. The syllabus is the default homepage for new Canvas courses. However, if instructors would like to choose a different homepage, click the Choose Homepage button from the right-hand menu under Course Status. Homepage options include Course Activity Stream, Pages Front Page, Course Modules, Assignment Lists, or Syllabus. For instance, selecting Course Modules and then selecting Save, and now the default view for all of those entering the course will be the course modules. Lastly, when the course is student-facing ready, publish the course in its entirety. There are a number of ways to publish a course. When publishing, it will immediately publish the course and make it available to students. The first method is clicking the Publish Course button on the right-hand side of the screen in the red box under Course Status. The second option is clicking Publish Course button within the pink banner on the announcements page. The third option is publishing the course from Settings and selecting the Publish Course button in the red box under Course Status. The fourth option is publishing a course directly from the Canvas course card on the main dashboard. As an example, let's publish the course from the Home menu. Once I click Publish Course, the course status box will update and it will display published and the box will turn green. Simultaneously, the button on the Canvas course card on the dashboard will disappear once the course is published from within. If at all you have any questions, please do not hesitate to submit a ticket to canvashelp@stanford.edu. Have a lovely quarter.